Hi friend, hope all are you fine. Welcome to my Excel solving channel. Today I will discuss about another problem. In here a data set, but it is a disorganized format like its name, ID, designation, but I need it in organized format. So how can I calculate this data by this format? So let's do the start. If I calculate it manually, that will take more time, but I will try to solve it a dynamic formula. Okay, that is wrap text. Sorry, wrap rows, then syntax vector, then wrap count. I will apply vector, that is a range. Vector means a range. Then wrap count means 1 2 3. Then after 1 2 3, so data will comes after 3 rows. Okay, that is our required format. Okay, now that is the another problem. In here some data range but disorganized format. I need this data by this format. Okay, so let's do the start. Equal to, I will apply in here wrap columns. Okay, now vector, then wrap count. Vector means I will select this range, then 3. But it is not it's not required format. Now I will apply transpose formula. That is our required format. I hope you are satisfied this video. If you are satisfied, then don't forget to like and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.